Ever wonder how some websites seem to know exactly what you're looking for the very instant you start typing? Today, we're looking at Meilisearch, a unified search and AI retrieval platform that claims to bring lightning-fast, intelligent search to any app or website. But is it truly the best search platform as we head into 2026? Let's find out. At its core, Meilisearch is an open-source, developer-friendly search engine trusted by over 20,000 teams worldwide. What makes it stand out is its speed. We're talking about search-as-you-type results returned in less than 50 milliseconds, literally faster than the blink of an eye. But Meilisearch isn't just fast, it's incredibly smart. It combines traditional full-text search with modern AI. This means you get semantic search, which understands the actual context behind a user's query, and hybrid search, which blends the best of both worlds. It even supports multimodal search, allowing users to search across images, video, and audio alongside standard text. Plus, with built-in vector storage, it's ready-made for advanced AI and RAG applications. Now, let's talk about real-world feedback. While we have limited external user reviews in our current database, we do know from industry use cases, like Carbon Graph, that teams are migrating to Meilisearch from other platforms like Pinecone. Users love the straightforward setup, automated embeddings, and the ability to consolidate their search tools into one place. On the flip side, because we don't have a massive pool of independent user reviews to draw from today, we highly recommend trying out their open-source version first to see how it handles your specific data scale. So, is Meilisearch the best website search platform for you? If you need a plug-and-play, ultra-fast search engine that easily integrates AI and hybrid search without a massive headache, Meilisearch is definitely worth a look. Have you tried Meilisearch on your own projects? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.